Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I will show you how to divide or use the division operation or formula on your spreadsheet on Google Sheets. Here I have this table and this is my spreadsheet. To initiate a formula first we need to type the, equal sign or equal operator. Now I can divide my any number that I want or any formula that I want. For example, let's do for like this and go 12 divided by 6 and it will calculate the division automatically. Also, you can use some complex formulas. For example, we can divide another like plus and go for this, and you can divide the division and we will have it like that and divided by 2 and it will calculate division. Also we can add cells for divisions, like if I click on equal then I will choose a cell. This means that it will take the value from this cell that has the name D7. So now I will just divide it by a number, for example 2, or I can also divide this by another number, which is, for example, let's do it, and it will be D8, as you can see, and it will simply calculate division. Also, we can divide values from this sheet and import another. For example, let's have it here and 7, and it will give us an error because there is no uh, uh and we will add 100, and as you can see it can import data from other sheets. That means we can use the division option or operation. We can use the division formula however we want, and we can control it however we want. So this is how you divide on Google Sheets. Thank you for watching and goodbye.